the 1997 Acura CL. Acura CL has a high-performance engine that performs well at all RPMs, but is just begging to be let out of the corral. Watch out. It jumps to 60 miles per hour in less than 6 seconds. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.